Hey guys, Daniel here, welcome back to Motor Dan's Garage. And today we're fixing a mistake I made. So a wee while ago I did a video on the front suspension upgrade on the DR650. You guys pointed out pretty quickly that I made a mistake in measuring my preload spacers. So that is 17 millimeters from the top bit there to the bottom bit, which is another 17 millimeters. So 24 millimeters off of 80. As we know, 17 plus 17 does not equal 24 millimeters, it equals 34 millimeters. And when I did that, I didn't allow for the 3mm preload that I was meant to have, recommended by Technic, who supplied the suspension upgrade kit. So basically what that means is my spacers that I cut at 16mm need to be 9mm. So I made them 10mm too big, and I didn't accommodate for a 3mm preload, so I need to make them 9mm wide. So I'll get them cut just now, and then we'll just pop out the old ones and pop on the new ones. Pretty easy, just got to pull the top cap off. I shouldn't have to remove any of the handlebars or anything. Just got to lift the vehicle off the ground, which it is now. We'll pop the top cap off, which is a 22mm, and just swap out those spacers. So there's the one I fitted originally, and there's the new one I just cut. So quite a bit of difference there. Pop that in. My original spacer. Hey guys, that was just a quick one showing you me fixing this issue. I will tag the original video in this in the description, and I've just got the other side left to do. I'll give it a good run, probably a few thousand Ks on it, and let you know how's it going. The issue I was having was a steering wobble at 100 Ks plus, which I never used to have until I did the suspension upgrade, which I think was the front suspension being too hard or too much preload. So hopefully this fixes the issue. I'll keep you guys updated and go from there. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. See ya.